Hello guys, today I am show to you how to earn money from YouTube 2020 and 21 tricks and tips for YouTube earning money in 2021. 7 best ways how to make money to earn YouTube 2022. Last update is YouTube around a global 5 billion YouTube video are watched every day. YouTube is popular as ever with users spending an average of 40 minutes per YouTube sessions. In line with the digital shift, the next thing you will learn how to make money on YouTube. All you need a video editing software and a computer and you can get started on YouTube. For example, N Rants to review Young Rain makes whooping buys million by playing around and disciplining toys not bid for playing around gadgets. Making money on YouTube is no longer exclusive at a select few. Platinum musicians specific entrepreneurs are huge influencers. There are plenty of opportunities for everyday people to make money from YouTube. However, you have to be more strategic in your approach. In this article, I will go over the different way you can start making money on YouTube in this year. Disclaimer, I receive affiliate compensation for some of the links below at no cost of you. However, these are the best tools I have used and test that I believe are most effective for making money on YouTube. You can read full affiliate disclaimer on policy. How to make money on YouTube. While it's possible to make significant income from your YouTube accounts as content creator, it is not assist 500 hours a video or uploaded to YouTube every day. Single minute across the world. Number of title there are competition spread is and making a lot of money online becomes challenging. Here are some powerful strategies you can employ to jumpstart or earning potential from YouTube. YouTube monetization. Use affiliate links on YouTube. Promoting affiliate links can be a massive earning opportunities for channel that offer in-depth tutorial as well as insightful product review. For example, if you recommended a product and a user visit your link to buy and start earning commissions, you can place these links in the first line. Speak about your link in your video content. Posting affiliate links on YouTube share typical resembles to promoting affiliate links on your blog. Thus, you should be pour links all over our YouTube content just for the monetary benefits. That all exclusive count. Don't forget that viewers will not flow these links when they believe you are a trusted source. The build trust with your ownership and viewership and get more subscribers. Help them solve constant problem and provide tutorials. As bonus, you can create videos that offers solutions you have previously accomplished yourself. There are plenty of affiliate programs for you to join. You can join many different programs in one place on a popular affiliate network like Shareable as Win. The best YouTube premium revenue can be earned by starting a blog in a unsense with your YouTube channels and affiliate links there to that where you are monetizing YouTube while keeping in mind monetization policies and eligibility requirements, and also have a website on platform that you own yourselves. The first two step, starting a blogs to get started. Blog host, web hosting. This is all how to get started. Go to bloghost.com, click get start, choose your hosting plan. 2.95 month is hosting plan, cheapest with my links. Enter a new website domain name or select you already own. This is all opportunity for you. Go to YouTube, become YouTube partner and earn video ads. For many YouTubers, ads the most essential YouTube revenue stream. As YouTube partners, you make money in different ways. You can make money from ads before your video channel membership or Google Ads and banner ads. However, there are some ground rules to observe before becoming a certified YouTube partner, well as some prerequisites needed to start. Aside from adhering YouTube ads rules, must MS a minimum 4,000 video watch time hour in last 12 month and have 1K subscriber. Hope you guys do like this video and enjoy this video.